Well, this is your you, Jae Prynse. I'm here representing for one of the baddest thing them review tune and video on YouTube. Jamaica's worst gamer. Jamaica's worst gamer, they on a money road.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today we're back with another Jae Prynse. Yeah, man, bad artist. Jae Prynse with Money Route. Money Route with the pan. So, we're going to jump in the one and see what the G has said. I don't know say anything the G say. That we have said. So, we're going to jump in it and hear him say, man. Let's go, man. Yeah, man, big up Jae Prynse. Big up JPM. Jae Prynse Music Group. Big up yourself, my G. Yes, your own production label. That is it. Be smart in the business. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Yo, they want to depend on a pursuit of greatness, riches and wealth. But this is not just about money.
Big up Day One. Big up 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records also.
It's also about all the ones that money can move funny through money.
It's not all about money. It's all about all the ones them running can move funny when they get the money too. Directed by Star Visuals. Big up yourself.
And make you feel sometime. So this is just how me feel.
Yeah, the video clean. So let's go.
Them pain ya, make if you cut me, you no see no blood. Some little pussy where you did that just long time. Them woulda put you down in a them mud.
Them pain ya, make if you cut me, you no see no blood, brother. Them little pussy ya where you just long time, brother. The man talk. In my chat.
Some little pussy where you did that just long time. Them woulda.
You see the, yo, big up the editor. Big up the editor. Me see that this I go already and it never reach us yet.
But me, you no see no blood.
Watch this.
Some little pussy where you did that just like.
Watch there. You might tell say, yo, watch them. Them are devil. You see it?
Time, them woulda put you down in a them mud.
Yeah.
And if you no see me there, me not there enough love.
Even though you see me there, me not there. Yo, the G chat, bro. Yo, hear the voice, dog. Hear the voice.
Some little pussy where you did that just long time. Why you get rid even my slug?
Yeah, man. Them want to see you downfall, brother. If them not get you put in the mud, them well want to see you get catch with a slug. Them want to see police lock you up if them can't kill themselves. Yeah.
Sometime I have one blood, sometime I have four. But you protect me from the wicked, them what me don't know.
Sometimes are your own blood, sometimes them are your own brethren them, dog, are your own friend them, fam. But guess what? Me I beg God for please protect me from the pussy hole them when me don't know. Cause you have some out there where unknown, you know. Least expect it, you know. But him expect it from family and friends. He might tell you that, you know. But you see one of them out there? Rude.
Keep a Bible by me bedside from me I go. Now tell me say you love me. Pussy me the slow. Me see what you want do and I ignore and watch you flow and just.
Yeah, man. Me see what you do, man. Me see what you bamba clad, the wall of binds, man. You know, bust the binds from the wall of binds, wall of clad, me see what you do.
Stay on, stack the millions, yes, stack up the door. The beast stay up for drop, us for go up another floor. Give me haters, them something, make them chat a little more.
Yeah, man, give them something for chat, man. So guess what now? Me spend my 24 hours when me get in my day to make myself better. While you spend your 24 hours and watch me I get better. Then you go hate me. Oh, that makes sense. Wall of binds. You're not a fence, man. I
have to drop, us for go up another floor. Give me haters, them something, make them chat a little more.
Yeah, man. Give them something for chat, man. But guess what the G I do in the music video? What am I do? I work 9 to 5, bro.
Now they have money road. A time for make mommy proud. Brand new spaceship for touch it road.
Hold on. I work here, sir, or a film car in my wash. I remember saying the money road him there in the dog. Yo, the G I yant, you know.
Come and see a new Benz, so me like. So me touch it road. The money road.
Yeah, man, me see a new Benz, so me like, man. So me have to touch out there. Me have to touch the road. If me not touch the road, brother, me not gonna feel good, because me see the Benz what me want. You see me? Yeah, man, work hard for it.
A time for make mommy proud.
Yo. Me for me alone, but me can feel everything what the G say. Me can relate everything what the G say. The emotion and voice, the melody, everything, dog. Just put together well, Jae Prynse. Big up yourself, bro. Fuck.
No starvation. But me know me have to stay strong. Come on, come here, so fi stay long. Man,
Enough starvation, so I know me have to stay strong. Man come as to stay long, brother. Long.
be a chant. I'm a place from. Them a waste man. Move out of my way from. Nothing you can do, I go train my meditation. Nah.
Yeah, man, excuse me, man. Excuse. Move. Move out of my way, brother. Nothing what you can do can train my meditation. Move, man. Move. Bumbleclaw, lift up, man.
I go argue with no punk. That a low vibration. Cash me love that, attract me stay on.
Me not argue with no fool. Me not argue with no kunumono. Me not argue with no punk. That a low vibration. That don't make no sense. That not get no. That no in it.
I'm a survivor, man a conqueror. Sometimes me ain't get the best of me and make me fall. But me strong higher. Bad bitch they in her jaws. She put me on higher.
No matter what. Nah left for the bad be them. Yes, mama. Nah left for no. I ain't think, man.
And I tell myself a video or bang camera. For this life for me, I try live for me, I'm a fan them. When no see me song, them wanna share them like some anthem.
Yeah, man. But the life of the G I try live. When I hear him song, them wanna share them, man. At the anthem, man. National anthem, man. What I say?
Big kind of me cash up, bank cash in, I'm a plan them. All me fi see haters and the money, I'm a problem.
Can't see haters, brother. Money, I'm a problem. Not a time for you focus over this upon haters, brother. Haters focus on me. Me focus on money. Know that.
Step on the money road. Money road. A time for me, mommy proud. Brand new spaceship, we touch it road.
Anything we do, mommy have to proud. That the G I tell you right here, so bro. Yeah, man, a time for me, mommy I'm proud, man. Brand new spaceship touch the road, man. Beast blaster. Yeah, man. They got me G them in that video too.
Come and see a new Benz, so me like. So me touch it road. The money road. A time for me, mommy proud. A time for me, mommy proud.
Yeah, that video bad, dog. Jae Prynse is back with that impact, bro. And I'm glad the G is back, bro. I'm glad they said the G take the time out to learn business for himself. Forward back. Bad.
Them pain, yeah. Make it you cut me, you don't see no blood. Some little pussy where you did that just long time.
You see that? I never want to pick up. But when me just pick up a while ago. Watch her.
If you cut me, you don't see no blood. Some little pussy where you did that.
Watch her eye. You see him girl around and we count out the money. The bad bee when just start about a while ago. Look on her eye. Ready eye them. So I'm tell us that the same people them they around you, big up moms. The same people them they around you, and them same one we bring you down, dog. Cause them know your movements, and them know your operation, and them know what you're up to. Them same one we fuck you up.
Not just long time. Them would have put you down in the mud. And even though you don't see me there, my heart there and I have love.
Watch ya. I see this, you know. I count money, you know. And I drink belly here, you know. I see that, you know. I see.
Some little pussy where you did that just long time. While you get rid of him, not slug.
Look like a work. Look like a worky boss a work a car wash, man. So I tell you say him a do it.
Yo, do you want them? Tell us from me like you beat me, I go sing.
Yeah, man, day one. Big up yourself, day one. Big up the production team behind one. The boss say him tell you say, from him like the beat, him a go sing, yeah. You know what music him say.
Don't it?
Yeah, man.
But that this me I feel. Yo, KS, yo, boss.
Yeah, man. So, him a tell you say the reason why I put that song up on the rhythm, because of that him a feel. On the rhythm. Musician.
Mad love in a fam. Money road.
Yeah, bro. Mad love, bro. No joke, man. No joke, man. Star Visuals, big up yourself. No joke. Mad love. Mad love. Jae Prynse with another one. Money road. What to say about that one, yeah? What to say about that one, yeah? Yo, the G bad dog. Them need have to try lock him out of business. Them need have to try lock him out of business for true. Because the G bad. What to say about it, though? Comment section. What to say? What to say? Bumbleclaw. One Jae Prynse, you know, man. Let me know what to say in the comment section. I'll be down there. Yes, I'll be there waiting. Yeah? I'll catch you down there. Peace.
Well, this is your Jae Prynse. I'm here presenting for one of the baddest thing them review tune and video on YouTube. Jamaica's worst gamer. Jamaica's worst gamer, they on a money road.